Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Trading SMC. Uh, I'll give take 5 minutes. If there's anyone waiting, if anyone hasn't seen the link yet or they don't know that I'm live, let them join. Let's start at 10:05 exact. Okay. Alright. So welcome guys. So we'll be starting the analysis for tomorrow. Before that, we'll just go over what we traded today and what is on the markets. Just maximize this. That's the way. Yeah. We'll finish it fast. So nifty the whole day. So I came live in the morning, but uh, I think like after the live ended, since it's my first YouTube video, I know that I'll be having the. I didn't know anything about the copyrights thing. So it's because the copyrights. Uh, my video wasn't posted. So yeah, that's okay. From tomorrow, I'll make sure there's no songs that has copyright issue is being played in the background. So the day started here. We didn't find any trade till this one. So yeah, I exited off early. I exited out somewhere in the middle. Yeah, somewhere here. The reason why I exited here was I myself find trendline order blocks so very was one type of OB which has a very good reactive uh, percentage because trendline traps they work like brilliant, but I should have waited for a break of structure for confirmation for my exit. Nevertheless, that's okay. So I entered here. This was my entry point, 11:48 candle, and my sell was below this candle, below 11:32. Entered here. It consolidated for a while, and I just went off into the just changed my candles to 5 minutes. So there was liquidity built up here, trap. All the all the sellers were trapped, and then everything went in the opposite direction of the retailers and just went. I mean, it kept on going till the break of structure, till the high of the previous lower high. Yeah, previous lower high, and one rally that too. and it was a massive one, but I was only able to capture this much. But in the live, I did tell people like they can trail it till here because this was like liquidity zone. So people who would have trailed it till here, they would have gotten good profits, and still the structure wasn't broken. The structure break of structure was somewhere here. Still they could have trailed. There was no break of structure until this point. Till here, this was the only break of structure that I was able to see. Yeah. So it was a good day, but should have I could have held on to my trade. What I feel. So yeah. But anyway, the first trading session with the closing in green is also a good thing, good sign. Okay, so that's it. That's all the trade that I saw. When in Bank Nifty, I was looking to enter here. This was a POI that I was waiting as soon as it broke this, but it didn't come back. It just kept on going. And we'll see. We'll do the daily and see what is there for us tomorrow. So this is done. Start from the daily chart, marking the day high, day low. We'll do. So this zone was out, this zone was out, this equal highs was out, all the OP and everything was out. Okay, so we'll mark the day low and the day high. Okay. Now I'll go to the 4 hour. And there's nothing. I think there'll be 2 big candles. 1 hour. So there's no. There's something, then it could be this for now. Fine. We'll try to go into low time frame and see what it should be. Then 15-minute. Do you see anything? No, it's not created. I see one here. We'll go to lower time frame and right now I'll mark the whole thing. Enter low. This one as well. I think this was where we entered, so this is nothing. This is liquidity, so don't enter here. I'll tell you. So yeah, and then 15-minute. That is all I see. I see one here, which is not mitigated. Decision candle. 5-minute. I would mark this imbalance. This is also done. Structure is taken out. Let's see what this candle is telling us. Let's go to low time frame, 1 minute, and see. 3-minute. See anything? I see this. I would like to go it till here. Goes down. Last down. With the imbalance, I would mark it till here. This level is, it's gone. This level, it won't respect this. Even if it comes, it will give a break and then tap, go down. So this is only liquidity. I won't even or the equal lows, liquidity lying here. I think we'll go to 1 minute to get a better picture. So in 1 minute, after the market close, I was just zooming in to see which level could be the better one. So if you see here, I would trade this one from here. This imbalance, this last dip, which is not yet mitigated. So this is what I would trade. If the price comes here, I'm entering immediately. I won't wait for anything. I'll just wait for confirmation from my indicators that I use, RSI, VWAP and PWM. Apart from that, nothing. So this is one play, one POI that I have for now. This is full equal loop, and you can, let's say for some reason maybe the selling was heavy because of the big rally today. The seller might take out this level. You can enter the SMC flip zone and target till this one. This level will easily get taken out. This is the equal lows that we have. And this is the equal lows for tomorrow. This is like point of interest where I would trade, because 1, 2 has happened, price hasn't come, and before the 2 happened there was liquidity. It was liquidity traps. Price came below these lows, took liquidity and then ran. So this will be a good level for it to respond from. I would definitely go long here, but from this level, I feel this is also not sure. Not sure if it's liquidity or something. I would avoid this one. I don't know because I'm not seeing. See if I'm showing something, but I feel I would trade this one. I prefer to trade this one over that. So this thing will be a zone. Okay, we won't enter immediately because this is like heavy, too big of a zone. 40 points in 50. You can just keep it whatever you want in the 15-minute. This is what we will mark in 15 minutes. You can keep this much. Let's see what the price will do after it comes here. This is the zone, so not trading immediately. Tap. Other than that, I don't see proper structure anywhere, proper liquidity inducement structure and everything. Let's see why this level was wrong. That's all, I guess. Those are like the two important levels that I see. Long side, if you won't, I doubt there will be any loss. This is one zone that is there. See, 1, 2, so then doji reaction. Sellers plus hold. Yeah. This is one zone that I have, a level. This is the other one. So these are the only few levels in the top I have. Or else you have to wait for fresh levels to found during the market hour. Then as of now. Start. Let's see if this could be a good entry or not. Not sure. No, I wouldn't enter here. That's not the proper setup for me. No inducement or proper structural movement. So apart from that, structure. Because structure, this thing is also a bit tricky. See if this level gets taken up, then we'll see some run. Right now, if you see US markets, I think the Dow is pretty flat from what I saw last. So Dow is okay. Dow and S&P are really not showing any strength. It's only Nasdaq that's moving 70%. Let's see. I don't know. I think we might get a momentum after 12 o'clock IST. But as of now, so these are the few levels for Nifty. Anyway, we'll be coming live tomorrow. We'll trade actually. We'll see. We'll see how well we can capture the market moves tomorrow. Today we captured a really good one, but we didn't. I exited early. Should have just held on to it till the market showed a breaker structure or something. So if the market takes out this low, so this is like a trap. This whole thing is a trap. Because breaker structure. So it's not a proper structural acting for me. I would want this level to get taken up. So it's something to see. Okay, anyway, at the top, let's see how the volume profile is showing in the futures and then decide. Okay, now Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, there was no trade for us in Bank Nifty today. There was one, but trading price never came back to there. Just rallied away. Stuck into 1 day. Bank Nifty still has to breach this level 737,600 to break structure on the upper side. Till then it's still in the bearish side for me. It has only recovered like what if you draw it. Let's come to the optimal trade to 0.7. Let's see what the market has for us tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Yeah, so if we have to mark the day high, day low. Day high, day low. 4 hours, there is no candle. 1 hour, there is no candle. All the equal highs, everything is taken out. In 15 minutes, I see one here. One black candle which is not being mitigated up. Which continues good up rally. This is one candle that I'm still waiting for it to come. Low time frame, 5 minutes. This is still valid. Okay, so this is 5 minutes. See, this one OB that I see. It's not the proper OB, so it's like this trendline liquidity trap. Look at this. Oh, it was respecting the level. But so there's imbalance there. So falling hammer like thing. So not an immediate, not entering immediately, but we'll be waiting. So whichever level dislodged. So my entry would be this one. If the price comes here, I'll be entering. And if the price comes there and it shows me some indication, or if I get any indication from the indicator, then I'm entering there. Apart from that, this is one trendline trap. If you want to mark a zone, then this could be a zone. Touchdown candle with imbalance, not OB. This is a zone. You have to wait for OB 2.0 form here. This one, yeah. So this one had a similar setup like this. Structure break, one. Structure breakthrough, liquidity inducement, tap into this OB. Before it broke it didn't break the structure, but rallied from there. So yeah, maybe we had information from the bigger time frame as well. So yes, this does look like a good trade. Somewhere here. This will be my entry. Just borrow this level up. So this candle was now mitigated, so was this. So the entire move is mitigated basically. I think I'll just go to 3 minutes and see what to show. It's a doji, so you can easily work the spin back. It will come back. So this will be a direct entry as well. Why? Because the same setup. This is not a direct entry. So there are two entries, two direct entries waiting. This is kind of shown, but it's very, what do you say? It's very small structure, not proper. And the same thing was in nifty as well. Say around the same time, 156. Yeah, these two. I'm not confident with those type of structure. Give me any type of confidence. In this structure, it's just broke structure again in the top side. Let's see if it comes back to the high, tries to mitigate something, then go up. Some liquidity. See if it comes back to the high or something. But there's nothing to mark on the top side on the open. There's plenty levels you can mark. Maybe for level. Yeah, not for direct entry. You have to wait for OB 2.2. This one I wouldn't enter. Not, it's not too confident setup for me. Apart from that, I don't see anything. I don't see anything worth entering. That's all I see for my setup. I see this as well, but I don't know. I don't get that kind of imbalance also. I don't know what I should do. Meaning it's somewhere in the middle of two entries. So anyway, this has to get another confirmation for OB 2.2. So for now I'll mark this. If this level breaks, then I'll enter here. I'll just risk small for this entry, 1%. Yeah, if even this breaks, then I'll enter like 2% here. If that is done, then I will be closing for the day. 1, 2%, 3% max. Okay, so that is all. Those are all the tradable. Could be traded for tomorrow. Green ones are the ones where you can enter directly for direct entries. Red ones are where I'll wait for OB 2.0 to form. Top, the upside. I think there was a 4 hour, there was a doji in the 4 hour that I marked. last up candle. This is kind of a big zone. It is a huge zone, in fact, huge level. Let's try to reduce it in the lower time frame. So which one to mark? The last up move before the down. So this break of structure. This it would be this one because this up move happened after the break. Last up move before break of structure. I don't know this or not, might have of interest, but anyway, this level has to be taken up for it to be strong, for it to be a strong momentum. I would think break of structure. So if you see, this I was taken out by this side that originated from here. Time. So anyway, I think these two levels would be something that I would want to wait for a breaker block like thing. You don't know, you won't know like how the market will react to this level. Let's see. If we see something good in the downside, then only anything will take down. It all depends on how US markets close today. So this is like a big zone. Let's mark it in oil. Well, okay, this is a huge zone. We don't know where the price will react from. If you see, drop, then again break. There's a lot of things that have happened. Plenty levels that could be marked. Some balance in this one. So for now, let's stick to the 4-hour thing, what it's saying. Larger time frame, it's always correct. Can't do anything as of now. Because if we keep marking them, we just clutter our charts too many zones. So it's better we just leave how it is showing improvement. This is a pin bar, bullish pin bar, then a down move. So the trap happened here. So we have to see how it responds. And there's no imbalance. If there was any, then we could have done something. Keep the zone intact. Markets, I don't know, the zone, it's very crucial for the market. If this breaks, then this equal highs will be taken out. Then comes the structure. Yeah, that's it in Bank Nifty. So one second. So that's it, guys, and that is all I see. And we'll go to futures, which is mark this, and we'll close for the day. Again, there's liquidity being shown at the top. We'll see what happens to the market tomorrow. Do join the live trading that happens at 9 tomorrow. I'll be trading live. Okay. I'll be taking live trades with you. Just share my setup or live demo during the live market hours, so even you can enter the same setup if you're comfortable and confident. Okay. This is a weird last 4 days streak was broke. So both of them have some volume profile, huge volume at the top, but then almost then like 245 after. See what that means tomorrow's session. So that's it, guys. That's it for daily analysis. Tomorrow I'll be showing, giving you all the point of interest I'll be trading. You can enter the same if you're confident. No, that's okay. They will trade on the live hours. Their market hours will give you confidence of my indicator, how I use my indicators as well. We'll trade tomorrow. Okay. See you then. Bye. Good night.